Good morning, students. Today we are going to conduct the experiment of Ohm's law. So we'll be doing this. Try to understand the concept. So this is the virtual lab experiment. Once we get into school, we'll be doing this practically in our laboratory. So here, as you can see, the circuit diagram. Here we have a circuit that consists of a resistance wire which has been connected, the red zigzag line that is a resistance wire. That resistance wire has been connected to a battery, the negative one terminal on one side and positive terminal on another side. It has been connected to a battery so that current flows through the wire, and in series an ammeter is connected. You can see the ammeter, I is written over here, so that is an ammeter. Ammeter has been connected in series with the wire, and the one where V is written, that is the voltmeter has been connected across the parallel. Okay, voltmeter is connected to record the value of voltage, and ammeter has been connected to record the current. You can see one arrow like thing, so that is called potential divider arrangement. As we move that arrow, the resistance of the wire changes. That determines what part of the wire is in circuit. So that is called potential divider arrangement. That we can move that arrow, that sliding circuit over this resistance wire, and we can change the resistance, as you can see on the right hand side, as the resistance increases or resistance decreases accordingly as the arrow moves. Now suppose we set it on some particular value R. Now as we switch on the current, the voltage changes, will change the voltage, and accordingly the current will change. What Ohm's law says is that V is proportional to I. Now we have kept R as constant. At some value we kept it R is the resistance of the wire. Now you will see, as we will change the voltage, you can see the graph, as we increase the voltage, the current also increases. With increase of voltage, current along the wire increases. So a straight line graph you can see. Graph is a straight line. V is proportional to I, or V is equal to IR. Okay. Now what is the effect of resistance? So at this particular value the graph is as shown. Suppose now we increase the value of R. You can see more is the value of R, the graph will move upwards. That is, the slope of the graph increases. More is the value of R, more steeper is the graph, the slope of the graph increases. So V is equal to IR. This is the experiment that we'll be doing in the laboratory. We'll be connecting all these things, the resistance wire, the voltage, the ammeter, exactly in the same circuit across the battery, and we'll see that when we switch on the current, there we change the value of this potential divider arrangement. We change the resistance, change that resistance on our own by using a rheostat in the lab. So when we change the resistance, we keep on increasing the value of V, and we will find the value of I, and then when we'll plot the graph between V and I, the graph will be a straight line as shown in the figure. Okay, so if we change the wire, if we change the resistance anyways by increasing the length or by area, so we'll see the graph changes accordingly. So this is the first experiment, that is Ohm's law, from current electricity, Ohm's law. I hope you get a bit of it. It would be more clear when we'll be doing this practically in the lab, but for now I hope this is clear to you. Okay.